Hello and welcome back to another studio vlog. This week I will be redoing and decorating my office slash studio, and these are just a couple clips of the before look. I still actually have some Christmas decorations up in here that I will be taking down, and it was snowing outside, which was really pretty when we were doing this. But I recently purchased an L-shaped desk, which is perfect for what I was going for. I wanted to have an area of my desk be specifically for my computer and monitor, but I also wanted an attached desk for filming and making art. And it was perfect because I also want to start streaming, so that way everything was close together, because I want to do art streams and some gaming streams. And this is just Thomas and I putting the desk together, a little time lapse. It did take quite a while to get all the pieces the right way. And I see he just made a silly face at the camera, which I didn't know when we were recording. We spent quite a few hours rearranging my room and reorganizing stuff. I believe we even cleaned out some of the closet. So I didn't include everything in this time lapse just because it would have been so much and so long. So I mainly just did the time lapse of my desk, but I will show you guys the progress along the way. So this is what we got done yesterday. I removed my grid board. We got my computer all set up on a monitor stand, rearranged my desk area. So this is now my filming area for art. I moved my bookshelf. My art cart is over there. So this was my original desk that I moved back here. This is going to be like a packing station. And I ordered some drawers to slide under there for some more storage. There's the grid board. I'm actually going to put that where my picture is of my dogs, and I'm going to move the picture of the dogs, put that there. I think I'm going to get some shelving, and then we're going to do some RGB lighting. So that's what I have so far. The stuff is still on its way being shipped, which I will probably put together at some point when I receive it. Yeah, I'm very happy to finally have like an art recording station. So I haven't recorded my planner video because I've been spending hours rearranging my room. I'm happy to have this now, and that'll be my video that maybe I will, well, hopefully I'll record that planner video tomorrow, which is Monday, because I have off of work. Exciting changes! I can't wait to show you guys the final version, and I think I'll do a actual room tour when it's all complete. This clip is just me testing out the new setup. I set my camera up where I would be doing a lot of filming, and this is Animal Crossing skin a friend got for me for Christmas as a Secret Santa exchange gift. So I thought it would be fun to just kind of put the skin on my Switch and record it just as almost like a test recording for this setup. And once I recorded this, I was like, this is going to be so much easier to film videos, and this will be a perfect setup for making art as well. It's Monday the 18th. And I think I'm going to decorate my room today. This is 65.5 feet of LED strips, and my plan is to go around the edge of the room and down the doorway and then along the floor so it can plug in there. But this will be seen from behind me when I sit at my computer. So this should be fun. So here I am just testing the strips before I start to put them up. I originally put them up around the whole border of my room, and I ended up not really liking it. So Thomas helped me rearrange them, and we put them underneath and around the bottom of the furniture, like my desks and my bookshelf, and it gave off a more glowing effect, which is what I was going for, rather than a straight on effect where you can actually see the bulbs. I didn't like the way it looked. Hey guys, it's Friday afternoon, and I was just working on my planner video. I was editing it, and I wanted to show you something. So here I am working on my planner video, but I wanted to show you this. Look guys, I am so close. I'm so excited. And I've been averaging, I think, like earning about 10 hours a day. So I should hit it within the next 2 days, especially if I'm posting this planner video tomorrow, Saturday. And then I will just kind of like promote the video a little bit. And then hopefully by the end of this weekend, I'll be monetized. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've waited so long for this. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Also, I've been working on my stream deck over here. So I've been playing with it. This is a live sub count button of my YouTube subscribers. This changes the lighting profile on my computer. Right now it's white. And then if I press it, it changes to the multicolored RGB setting. So that's fun. So I could do a whole bunch of different profiles. This is my CPU usage, which I like to see in case I start using a lot of it. I can start closing some programs. So then down here I have my stream scenes, which goes with my OBS. Hi. So this is my Streamlabs OBS for when I start streaming. And if I hit the pause button, it'll bring up my pause screen. This is a talking scene where it kind of like blows up my face a little. Here's a starting scene, and then an ending scene, and then the live scene. So I've been working on getting this set up to start live streaming. I'm probably gonna do a test stream, I don't know, maybe with Animal Crossing or something else. So I've been working away on that. And what else? Oh, I also have my shelf. My shelf got delivered over here, so I have to put that together to put under this spot here and maybe finish up this back wall. So that's probably the plan for this weekend. It has been snowing all day today, so Thomas and I will probably go snowmobiling tomorrow, which is always fun. I have 4,001. We're gonna apply. Yay! Good afternoon, guys. It's Sunday, January 24th, and I just got out of the shower, so I'm in comfy clothes because I don't have many plans for today. I did want to unbox and put together this rolling drawer unit. I want to put it under my desk here, and hopefully it's the right height and it will fit. I want to put either packing supplies or products in there, so we'll see how big it is once it's put together. This morning I was just doing some advertising of my planner video that I posted yesterday, and we went snowmobiling all day yesterday, so I was exhausted and didn't really do much. But yesterday night I was trying to do a test live stream on Twitch and realized that I had set everything up under my YouTube channel, and I don't want to do live streaming on YouTube because I plan on doing some video games, and my YouTube audience is more art related, and I do plan on doing some art streams, but for now I just want everything under Twitch. And so when I logged out of that and logged back in with Twitch, all my settings were gone. So I stopped working and trying last night on it, and that's something I finished up this morning. So maybe I will try doing another test live stream with either like my sister or a friend today to make sure everything's working before like announcing it officially. But if you do want to head over and follow me on Twitch, I will leave a link in the description below for when I do start streaming on a regular basis. So enough of me rambling, let's get this put together. Okay, so it's a little while later. We finally got the drawers put together. Thomas helped me, of course, and I have my LED lights on. Right now, I haven't obviously stuck them to the side of the table yet. They're just taped in place. They're perfect for fitting under the table, and they're exactly what I want in terms of the size and how they look. But these were not the best, at least for what I paid for them. I think they were like $90 on Amazon. And it looked like it had great reviews. There was like over 4,000 reviews and it was like 4 stars or above. But the holes didn't line up well. Some of the boards and stuff were too big. And so this is after Thomas had played with the drawers and filing them down and stuff. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but this gap right here was really big because the board underneath was too long and the drawer wasn't lining up properly. And then when you put the drawer in, so see, you can see it here that it's still not perfect. He did the best he could with his tools that he has, but it's just not made very well, which is unfortunate for the cost. So it's a little bit of a shame that it wasn't better quality for the price, because I was honestly thinking of purchasing a second one to go under here because, like I said, they fit perfectly and they are on wheels, so I can roll them around and move them to other places if I need them, which is perfect. So unfortunately, I think I'm going to be leaving a bad review for this, and I took some pictures that I'll put in my review. I think I'll be moving some of my shipping supplies in there and then maybe reserve some of the drawers for my incoming enamel pins and washi tape, which I don't know if I told you about this, but I'm actually having some stuff manufactured right now and I'm so excited. I can't wait till it arrives. It's in production as we speak. So it's probably going to be a few more weeks before I get that. Some other storage containers came in that I've been waiting for, so I wanted to show you guys those as well. These got delivered just as we were finishing up building the drawers. So I actually found these, I think it might have been Mira Byler, I think maybe one of her videos. These are from the Container Store, and I went to buy them and they were sold out, and then when they came back in stock they weren't shipping them. They must have been super popular that they couldn't keep them in stock. I wanted some because right now I don't have any kind of like sticker storage or storage for my products, so that's also why I grabbed that drawer unit. So these are just clear drawers that you can pull out. But these are all the same type of drawers, and then this one down here, these are bigger drawers. I don't know if sticker sheets would fit in this drawer, but it's a little wider, and then this one is wide but shallow, and then we got little tiny ones over here. So I thought this would be perfect to put any like die cut stickers I have, or freebie stickers or sticker sheets. I don't know if I'm going to put it on my desk or on a shelf above my desk, so I'm going to see how things go because my room still isn't complete yet. I just got this package in, and I want to open it on camera. I'm very excited. It's from Band of Weirdos. She has a YouTube channel and she does studio vlogs that are more like behind the scenes of her shop. She had, I think it was discounted like B-grade enamel pins, and I think it was a mystery pack too. So that's what I ended up purchasing, and I'm so excited because I don't have any enamel pins at the moment. I wanted to start a little collection. Ooh. Oh, this is the one I really wanted. Oh my god, and Chris, I'm so excited. So this is one of my favorite pins that she makes. It opens up. Please stay focused. Look, it's like a briefcase with like secret alien info. Oh my god, I love it. It's magnetized. So then we have two other crystal pins, which are still so pretty. Cool. She sent a I Believe in You patch. I think these are iron-on patches. Oh my gosh. So this is like a card. The truth is out there. I love you. Super cute little card, and then a sticker sheet, which totally gives me some like Lisa Frank vibes right now. All right, let's see what we got. We have Weird Woman. We have I Must Confess, I Still Believe, another alien pin. I think I sent her a message when I put in the order and said how much I love her alien stuff. So I think she sent me a lot of aliens and crystals, which I love. Look at these. These are so beautiful. Now I have to get a pin board, an enamel pin board, I think that's what they are, to start putting all my pins on and growing my collection. You guys definitely need to go check out her shop and her YouTube channel. So that is my little package opening from her. So, yay! So excited. So that is it for this week's vlog. If you are interested in seeing more vlogs like this, click the like button below and hit subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!